In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow investments on Google Finance. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and how to add popular stocks and assets to your personal list so you can track them quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser and go to google.com/finance. This takes you straight to the Google Finance homepage where you'll see a snapshot of the market's top news and a variety of categories that help you explore what's moving. Think of this page as your command center for staying on top of prices and headlines. Now scroll down the page and focus on the right-hand side. On a desktop, that right column is where Google highlights helpful shortcuts and curated lists. If you're on a phone or tablet, that same section may appear further down, so just keep scrolling until you reach it. The layout can shift slightly depending on your screen size, but the content you need is the same. In that right column, look for a section labeled Most Followed on Google. This is a curated list of widely watched investments, typically well-known stocks and other securities that a lot of people track. It's a great place to start if you want quick access to popular names or if you're just building a watch list and want to see what others are paying attention to. Each item shows the ticker, the name, and recent price movement so you can gauge what's happening at a glance. To follow any investment in this section, click the small plus icon to the right of its name. When you click the plus, it turns into a check mark, confirming you're now following it. If you're signed into your Google account, your selections are saved to your watch list and will appear across your devices. If you're not signed in, you may be prompted to do that, so your choices stick. You can follow as many items as you like. If you change your mind, click the check mark again to unfollow. A helpful tip is to start with a short list of the investments you care about most. That keeps your feed focused and makes it easier to scan prices and news without distraction. And if you want more context before you follow, you can click an investment's name to open its detail page, view charts, and read recent headlines. That's all there is to it. Go to google.com/finance, scroll down and look to the right, find Most Followed on Google, and click the plus to follow. Keep your list relevant, review it regularly, and you'll always have the market information that matters most to you right at your fingertips.